So Bitcoin collapsed. Yes, it collapsed around, there's some reports saying 25,100. There's some reports even saying it dipped down to the 24,000 range. Yes, there's a reason for that. There's a lot of liquidations. You're not going to believe the numbers that I'm going to be giving you. And also the reasons why this might have happened. And I'm going to give you my take. Let's get right into this. So we had the largest liquidation event since the FTX collapse at $15,000 pretty much. So you had over leveraged players that got liquidated. So when you're borrowing too much money and the price goes down too much and you're betting the price is going to go up, you're going to get something called a margin call or just simply liquidated, which means that the account that you're borrowing from is saying, hey, you need to sell your shares right now or else we're going to sell them for you. And guess how much they had to sell? $750 million. Actually, it was $769 million in just the first 30 minutes of the collapse. That's massive, guys. And check this out. The RSI, the 1 hour RSI on Bitcoin dipped to 5.7 last night. That is the lowest it has been since the collapse of FTX. So even with the collapse of FTX, this entire bear market, that is the lowest the RSI has been, all right? Now we have reasons for this. SpaceX sold $373 million worth of Bitcoin. Or did they? This is just a rumor. Seriously, people are freaking out for a stupid rumor that might not have ever even happened, okay? So I'm just take that with a grain of salt. Now, what did happen is a judge granted SEC approval to file an appeal in the Ripple case. We said before that this is a possibility and what would happen. And so what's probably going to happen now is that the SEC is probably going to lose this case again. It's going to go in front of a jury of 12. And you're going to have all these noobs that don't know much about cryptocurrency getting a hard course on cryptocurrency while they're trying to decide whether or not Ripple is a security. But also the SEC is in danger of losing another $200 to $250 million of taxpayer money if they lose again because they have to pay both sides of legal cost. Ouch. Plus, it's probably going to take another 2 or more years for this to happen. And meanwhile, the bull market is definitely going to be roaring, especially in 2024. Who knows if it's going to keep going in 2025? I don't know, but I'm not too worried about this, and neither should anybody else. Okay, here we go. China, let's go over to China now. The Chinese property giant Evergrande just filed for bankruptcy. Now people are scared, oh my gosh, China is going to experience this massive collapse, economic collapse. Who knows what's going to happen? For me, I'm not too worried about it. I just see how much central banks are printing currency, and that is going to cause massive spikes of inflation, which Bitcoin loves. Lastly, we have the SEC on the cusp of approving multiple futures ETFs. I talked about this yesterday. The approvals could be imminent, actually tomorrow. So what's going to happen there? It's nothing to really get excited about. I have a lot of people, I've been looking on Twitter and a lot of people are really excited that there's going to be a futures ETF for Ethereum. Well, keep in mind that this is just Wall Street that's going to be able to manipulate the crap out of Ethereum. That's all it is. It has nothing to do with the real Ethereum. Nothing. Okay, it's all fake. They're all derivatives. Okay, so please don't get excited. Get excited if there is going to be a spot ETF, but not a futures ETF. There's a massive difference because spot, you actually have to hold the Ethereum, all right? And if you want to see some of the coins that we have been in during this collapse, 2 of them hit all-time highs today. Yes, our CT Club is killing it. If you want to see what we're doing, the link is down below in the video description, and I will talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe, by the way.